Internship coordinators can now create custom questions during key moments of the process of getting an internship, so that schools can now collect their own data. To do this, go over to the internship coordinator's name, click the menu, and then open Questions, Prompts. From here, you will see the 5 moments where you can create your own questions or prompts. First one is Advisor Internship Start Questions. This is when the internship is starting and the advisor will answer these questions. The Advisor Internship End Questions. The Student Check-In. This is when the student checks in daily and can be done on a mobile device or on a computer. Student Checkout Questions. And mentor questions that occur during the mentor email verification process. Now let's take a look at each of these. After a student has been approved to pursue an opportunity, they can then go back to ImBlaze on a computer or a mobile app and then request to start the internship. This request goes to either the advisor or the internship coordinator to approve or deny. I'll show you what this looks like for an internship coordinator. If we click on Requests, we see that there's the request table. As this checkbox is selected, the internship coordinator does see Setup and End requests by students. This is the request that the student just put in. Now, if we click Setup, we can approve or deny the student for starting this internship. And at the start, we see all of the standard questions that have always been asked, such as the first day of the internship, when is the last day of the internship, which as a reminder is optional, when the internship was set up, what are the goals for the internship, but now, there are 2 additional questions that me as the internship coordinator have added. They include, in this case, 1 question and 1 prompt. The question is, in my case, what learning goals do you think that the student is most likely to address with this internship? The prompt is update the mentor email, and this you can use to remind advisors for certain steps that they should complete for setting up an internship. When we're ready, we can continue with the setup process. So now, not only can you add questions to collect data around when internships are set up or when they end, but you can also collect data around when students check in and check out daily. As you see here, this is a custom question that the internship coordinator wants the student to answer when the student checks in. In addition, there's a prompt here that is custom that enables the internship coordinator to remind the student, in this case, to let the mentor know that spring break is next week. So again, to update the check-in and check-out custom questions, go to your internship coordinator login, questions and prompts. And we see here that there's advisor check-in, advisor check-out. If we look at advisor check-in, we see those 2 questions or prompts. How excited are you for your day? And the reminder that next week is spring break. We can make these inactive if we want to change them. We can also change the question type from a prompt to a multiple choice, pick list, checkbox, or text field. Note that for any of these steps, you can only have a maximum of 2 questions or prompts at any one time. Lastly, note that you can create custom questions or prompts also for mentors when they are verifying student attendance at the end of the day. This is a great place not only to collect some metrics on how students are doing at their internships, but also to notify them of upcoming events. Again, like all the other moments, you can only add up to 2 questions or prompts